But are you prepared? Preparation means every Igbo man must have a huge chunk of Igbo.
Yes.
If you don't have a chunk of Igbo, a landless Igbo man is a classless Igbo man. It's a trait. Freedom, they embedded in our DNA. Self-determination was one of the most important things in the minds of every woman. You must be prepared, because that which you seek is right in front of us. But are you prepared? Preparation means every Igbo man must have a huge chunk of Igbo.
Yes.
If you don't have a chunk of Igbo, a landless Igbo man is a classless Igbo man. And we are no longer doing states. I'm not with Anambra, because when you count Anambra, you are separating me.
Yes.
I'm not Anambra, but Anambra. Mana is not Anambra. Igbo is the. So what I'm trying to say is this: you might not get that kind of answer you want, but I have answered you. Have a huge chunk of idea. Be prepared for that self-determination. Have a huge chunk of idea. Don't mean that they have an no, buy from Delta. I will have an Delta. I will have an Apple. I will have an Ebelina movie. I will have an Asada Dani. I will have an Igbo. So that's the one job. So they will have a job. Thank you. Yes.
Igbo Maazị Uche Ozuchukwu and more onye Jamobiri now for the local government. Yes.